Hello, this is Nature Boy, and as you can see, we're all fixed up from the last episode when we got almost stabbed to death. And Wilderness Wanda decided not to come because she was afraid of getting stabbed again. So, as you can see, we're in this tree row, and my retarded assistant keeps on eating these pea-looking things. Not like pea, but like this. Peas. They look like peas, but they're in trees like this, so I really hope they're not poisonous. Alright, so we keep going through here, and it's like quite a maze. There's branches everywhere, and the birds are very annoying, as you can see. Closer by is a huge plain to the right and a barley field to the left. But we're going and going in here, and there's a beer can right there. And there's lots of broken twigs in here. I wonder if Bigfoot came through here. Oh my god! What's that? It's a golf ball. Jeez.
Okay.
I wonder who hit golf balls over here. I mean, there's like no golf course even close to here. Alright, we'll keep moving now. We had a short dilemma there. Yes. Wow, that bird's really starting to get on my nerves. I might shoot it. Too bad there's like no huge trees where people could climb up and snipe it. Near here that we know of. Oh, look at that wide open field. Wow. There goes my retarded assistant.
Oops, sorry.
And I just got my toe stepped on by Mr. Gullible. That felt rather good. So you can see there's little openings every so often. So, I wonder what they were used for. Especially this one. Look at this big one. Once again, it might be Bigfoot. But we're still going. And, well, how did my retarded assistant get out there? Oh well. Right. Still going. Just look at this. There's branches there. Oh, there he comes. There's an opening right there. Alright, we're back. And we found a clearing, but we came out and we got right into this. So, we're just kind of keeping on moving, keeping things smooth. That's a smooth thing. Wow, these are pretty prickly, actually. Oh, look at here. Looks like these have been laid down by something. They're really loud and crunchy. I wonder where my retarded assistant went. We'll find him. Probably found another playground. So we're going through. And this is like almost impenetrable. There's lots of stuff here. It's just everywhere. It's kind of hard to see over. So tall. But anyway, as we keep moving, keep getting closer and closer to the end, I think, unless we keep going the wrong direction. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention earlier, there wasn't a hill at our landing zone this time, so we landed quite safely.
Hey, look, an arrow.
Oh my god. What is an arrow doing here? Uh-oh. That's not good.
I think I know what you should do.
But anyway, keep that arrow. We might need it later. I have a feeling that the person who shot it is very close by.
Yeah.
So we'll keep moving. Just took a turn here. And what is this stuff?
It's not poison ivy.
I hope it's not. That would be itchy.
No, poison ivy has 3 leaves.
Wow, Mr. Gullible. Nice. Nice.
This is what's trapped.
Oh, sure.
Trapped in 3 leaves, just remember that.
It's wet over here, so
Muddy.
we'll probably go back to the...
Another golf ball.
Oh, another golf ball.
Whoa, look at this. It's like,
So muddy.
it just like painted black.
But anyways, gonna go back the way we came. Alright, we're back online. I'm trying to save the battery on this thing. And as you can see, we found a clearing right here. See it? Well, I hope you do. But anyways, we're slowly walking to find out what's going on here. Looks like there is a golf course here after all.
It's very crappy.
Kind of dry.
Okay.
Look at the dry grass. Too dry. There's lots of noise up in that tree.
I wonder what's happening.
I wonder what's going on. Let's go check it out. It's the base of it. Alright. Oh, there's a golf branch right there. What was that? What was that? Something falling out. This is like a golf ball tree or something.
There's like another arrow. Oh.
Things keep on falling off this tree.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's someone up in it. Probably way up there, way up there. Oh, there comes something else. It's closer. Is it on the other side? Not really. Can't see anything.
What's something?
Alright. There's lots of stuff keeps on falling and it's kind of weird. Ah! Golf ball hit me in the foot. There's something up there for sure. There's no way that that could be like happening without someone doing it. Jeez, we had to stop there for a little bit. It's hailing golf ball. Holy cow. That was close. That was... Ow! I just got hit with a stick. What's going on up there? Oh! Ow! 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 What the heck is that? Oh! Hey! Oh, jeez. What are you doing? Retarded assistant.
Where's your shoe?
It's okay. We still love you. Alright. Do you want to come down from there, or how are you going to get down? How did you get up? Oh. Well, he doesn't know how he got up, and he doesn't know how he's going to get down. So he's in a dilemma here. Where do shoes go?
That's I asked.
Oh, they're right there. Jeez. How did you manage to get your shoes off? Jeez. Well, I guess we'll keep this arrow. I don't know what possessed my retarded assistant to throw stuff at us. But we still love him, like always, and Mr. Gullible's trying to fight back.
Not really.
Not really.
Just trying to throw the stick up there.
Yes.
And you see the guy in there.
Right, well, let's see how he's going to get down from here. Okay, he's going ever so slowly.
You might want to...
Another golf ball. Taking his time. Climbing down with excellent tree climbing skills. Even though he's my retarded assistant. He must know how to climb trees. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, he is part monkey. But yeah. So, he got down. That's good. Alright. We found this gravel road. And it's going to lead us out of here. So, that has been this episode of Nature Boy.